So this is the 2014 World Series ring. Every single full-time member of our staff got a World Series ring. How cool is that?
Giants win!
I think we know we're part of something special.
A World Series win for the San Francisco Giants for the third time in the last 5 years.
Every April when the crowds start coming back in, when it's the start of the season, there's this renewed sense of, wow. Something I love about working for the Giants is that we have people from all different backgrounds and fields within the team. I'm not sure that anyone would have said that there's a job description around someone who's interested in sports and real estate, but that's what I wanted to do, and I figured out a way to pull it together to get there, and I think everyone really has that in them. The most interesting thing to me is really seeing all of it come together and seeing how things like finance and engineering and law have this really incredible intersection in urban development.
So the northernmost part of the project site that is right across from the ballpark is going to be a new 5-acre regional park with waterfront access and recreation opportunities and retail along the park's edge. And then there'll be 12 new buildings with offices and homes and restaurants. 60% of the seats in the ballpark have a view of what's happening on Lot A today. So imagine in the future when that view, instead of cars and parking lot, is of parks and trees and beautiful new homes and buildings.
I think what excites me the most around this sort of work is that it's going to be part of the city for hopefully generations to come. One of the things I remember learning at the GSB was that we actually can experiment from time to time. And I have to remind myself of that. So sometimes when I'm stuck in a situation or I don't know quite how to respond, I'll actively think to myself, I'm just going to experiment. I'm going to try something that I don't think I would normally do because maybe that'll get me past this. And sure enough, it usually works.
Here comes Pence. Here's the throw, not in time!
The biggest thing that I would share is that if you think there's a place for you out in the world that doesn't exist yet and you want to go create it, you absolutely can. That doesn't have to be sports, that doesn't have to be baseball, that doesn't have to be the niche intersection of real estate and baseball, but whatever it is for you, go find that. And the more you love it, the better you're going to be.